Hi class, it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, let's discuss about one-to-one functions. Recall that a relation is one-to-one if and only if each element of each domain corresponds to a unique element in its range, and each element of each range corresponds to a unique element in its domain. So in other words, when a function has additional property that no two unique elements of the domain have the same image in the range, then the function is said to be one-to-one. Okay? So let's define what is one-to-one function. The function or f is one-to-one if for any x sub 1, x sub 2 in the domain of the function, then the f of x sub 1 should not be equal to f of x sub 2. That is, the same y value is never paired with two different x values. So guys, take note of that. Ang sabi rito, the same y value is never paired. Take note of that. Same y value is never paired with two different x values. So guys, ang ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng maulit yung y values natin o yung sa range natin. Okay? So, we have here a mapping diagram. So, the first diagram, so we have the domain and then range. So, this is, okay, very good one-to-one function. Okay, why is it one-to-one function? So, one-to-one function because, kung makikita naman natin, okay, yung x sub 1 is being paired with y sub 1. So, there is a unique pairing, no? Okay, as well as x sub 2 and then y sub 2, x sub 3, y sub 3. Gets? Okay. And then, for the second diagram, so we have, okay, x sub 1 is corresponds to y sub 1, x sub 2 corresponds to y sub 2, and then x sub 3 corresponds to y sub 2. So guys, dito, based on the definition, sabi dyan, the same y value is never paired with two different x values. So, i-pair natin yung y sub 2, I mean, yung one of the elements sa range dito sa magkaibang domain natin. So, therefore, very good, this is not one-to-one function. Okay? Did you get the idea? Okay, good. So, let's have examples. So, for letter A, example, determine whether the given relation is a function. If it is a function, determine whether it is a one-to-one or not. Number 1, the relation pairing an SSS number to his or her SSS number. Again, the relation pairing an SSS member to his or her SSS number. Okay, so guys, kung mapapansin natin, no, in real life, dapat hindi pwedeng magkatulad yung SSS number natin sa ibang tao. Ganun din sa GSIS number, okay? So, ibig sabihin, isang tao lang ang nagmamayari sa isang unique number. Okay? So, each SSS member is assigned to a unique SSS number. So, thus, the relation is a function. Furthermore, two different members cannot be assigned the same SSS number. So, this is a one-to-one function. Gets? Okay, so let me write one-to-one function. Okay. Next, number 2, the relation pairing a real number to its square. Okay, so each real number has a unique perfect square, right? Okay, so thus, the relation is a function. However, two different real numbers such as, like, say for example, 2 and negative 2, right? May have the same square. But the function is not one-to-one. Okay? Say for example, square root ng 4, that is positive 2 and negative 2, right? So therefore, as what I mentioned earlier, two different real numbers such as 2 and negative 2 may have the same square, but the function is not one-to-one. Okay? So as simple as that, not one-to-one. Not one-to-one function. Okay, number 3. The relation pairing an airport to its airport code. Okay, so ano ba yung mga airport natin dito sa Philippines? Say for example, Ninoy Aquino. Okay. Ninoy Aquino International Airport, right? Okay. Aquino International. Let me write. International Airport. So guys, ang code nito ay okay, so MNL, right? Okay. So MNL. And then another, okay, 'di ba we have Mactan Cebu International Airport, right? So Mactan Cebu International Airport, right? Okay. So ang code nito ay CEB. Rather, the airport code which is CEB. So guys, kung makikita naman natin dito, kung mapapansin natin, so magkaiba sila, right? Ng code. So there is a unique, right? Okay, so meaning, okay, since each airport has a unique airport code, then the relation is a function. And also, since no two airports share the same airport code, then the function is one-to-one. Very good. So this is one-to-one. So ibig sabihin, hindi sila pwede mag-share ng same code. Okay? So marami example ng one-to-one function sa ating real life situation. Okay. Next, letter B example. Determine the following if it is a one-to-one or not. Okay, so given the ordered pairs, so we have 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, 0, negative 1. So guys, kung mapapansin natin dito, let us list down using yung mga x and y values natin. So we have x and then y. So xy. Yan, xy. So xy. So guys, kung mapapansin naman natin dito, yung mga y values natin, hindi naman sila naulit. Right? So 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1. So which means this is a one-to-one function. Okay? So ganun lang kasimple. How about number 2? 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0, 2. Okay, very good. Not one-to-one. Bakit ito not one-to-one? Kasi, meron tayong naulit sa y values. Right? Okay. Ayun o. So, we have 2, right? So, this is not one-to-one. Gets? Okay. How about number 3? So, what if you were given equation and paano mo natin malaman if it is one-to-one? Okay? So, kung mapapansin natin, we have linear function. Okay? Or linear equation. So, f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. So, guys, dito, kung i-graph naman natin yung linear function, we all know that this is a function, right? So, using vertical line test, it intersects only at one point. So, this is function. And of course, this is also one-to-one function. Okay, so, we have f of x, no? So, f of x sub 1 is equal to f of x sub 2. Okay. So, kunin natin yung equation natin. Ito yan, guys. So, we have 3x sub 1, okay, plus 2 equals, so we have 3x sub 2 plus 2. So, guys, dito, we can cancel out the positive 2, right? Okay. So, pwede natin cancel out yan. So, we left by 3x sub 1 is equal to 3x sub 2. Okay. So, divide natin yan, guys. So, it will become x sub 1 equals x sub 2. Okay? So, meaning, ito ay very good. So, therefore, the given function is 1 to 1. Okay? Next, number 4. And also, guys, bago ko makalimutan, um, this function, when the degree of the equation is odd number, di ba? This is raised to 1, right? Okay. So, take note of that. Kapag ang degree of the equation or the function is odd number like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, of course, automatic 1 to 1 siya. Okay? So, automatic 1 to 1 function. Okay? Next. Number 4, f of x equals x squared minus 3. So guys, ito, ang equation natin, I mean the degree of the equation dito sa function natin, which is 2, right? Okay. So meaning, ito ay not 1-to-1 function. Okay. So paano ba natin nasabi or na-conclude na not 1-to-1 function? So let's solve muna. Okay, so f of x sub 1 equals f of x sub 2. Okay? And then, so which is x squared minus 3 equals x squared minus 3. Okay. So, by cancellation, kasi we will combine negative 3 and negative 3. So, it will become x squared 1 and then x squared 2, right? Okay. So, let me correct this one. So, guys, ito magiging x squared, ayan, equals x squared sub 2. Okay. So, to get rid of the exponent, ang gagawin lang natin dito, take the square root of both sides, right? Okay. So, huwag kakalimutan yon. And then, it will become x sub 1. Actually, if you take the square root of a number that is positive or negative, equals positive and negative x sub 2. So guys, kung mapapansin natin dito, okay, there are two sign here's, right? Okay, meron tayong dalawa, positive and negative. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin, this is a not 1-to-1 function. So, therefore, f is not 1-to-1. Okay? Say for example, bakit ko na-conclude na not 1-to-1 to? Mag-substitute tayo. Okay? Sa original function natin. Okay. So, say for example, we have positive 1 and negative 1. Okay. So, f of positive 1. Okay. So, in our original equation or function, which is f of x is equal to x squared minus 3. When x is equal to 1, so f of 1 equals, so we have 1 squared minus 3. So f of 1 equals, so 1 squared, that is equal to 1 minus 3. So f of 1 equals negative 2. So, ibig sabihin, yung y values natin or yung f of x is equal to negative 2. Okay? And then, what if we have f of negative 1. The one is positive, the one is negative. So we have f of x equals x squared minus 3. Okay? So f of negative 1 equals negative 1 squared. I-plug in lang natin. Okay? So f of negative 1 equals, let's evaluate what is the quantity of negative 1 squared. This is equal to positive 1 minus 3. So f of negative 1 is equal to 1 minus 3 becomes negative 2. So guys, dito, kung makikita natin, nag-equal yung mga y values. So, ibig sabihin, nag-share sila or parehas yung nakuhang result ng y values natin. So, therefore, this is a not one-to-one function. Diba? Sabi natin sa definition kanina. Okay? So, sabi sa definition, that is, the same y value is never paired with two different x values. Okay? So, meron tayo ditong magkaibang x values, which is positive 1 and negative 1. And then, yung output nila ay same, which is negative 2. So, therefore, this is not one-to-one function. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple at kadali. Kung meron kayo natutunan sa video ito, kindly like and share. Thank you for watching.